Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student of class 9, I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Shariful Islam, your biology teacher. Today I would like to deliver the lecture on chapter 5. Chapter 5, Food, Nutrition and Digestion. Today I discuss about the topics board question on chapter 5. Including today's lecture, we are able to understand about BMI, calculating BMR, action of some enzymes, and last adulterant of food. Including today's lecture, we are able to understand about BMI, BMR, action of enzyme, adulterant of food, etc. First, I am describing about Joshua Board 2019. This is liver, noticed by capital A. This is gallbladder, is B. Pancreas is noticed by C. This is our steam. First question, what is hemoglobin? Why does occur anemia? Explain the function of A marked part of the steam, A that is called liver, and D, B and C play role in digestion in human body. Analyze it. B and C, B is gallbladder and C is pancreas. Now I just describe C and D. C, function of liver, and D, the role of gallbladder and pancreas on digestion. To describe this answer, I follow a model answer. Function of liver. The A marked organ of the above steam is liver. It is largest gland of the body and is started just below the diaphragm in the right side of the stomach. The function of liver is given below. Number 1, the liver produces bile. It is stored in gallbladder. According to the necessity, it passes to duodenum and take part indirectly in digestion. Number 2, bile neutralized the acidic chyme and creates alkaline medium. This is favorable for digestion. Number 3, bile breaks fat or oil droplets into mini droplets, so it makes easier for lipase to digest fat easily. Then number 4, liver stores excessive glucose as glycogen. When the blood sugar falls below normal level, the glycogen is reconverted into glucose and blood glucose remain under control. And last, excessive amino acids are taken to liver. This is the function of liver. We can solve this question as answer as described. Then the role of pancreas and gallbladder to maintain our digestion. I also make a answer to solve this answer, maintain a model answer. In the steam, B and C marked organ of the figure is gallbladder and pancreas respectively. Gallbladder is attached to beneath the liver and pancreas is located obliquely at the back of the stomach. Both organs act as digestive gland and play important role in digestion. Their role in metabolic function of human body is given below. Food materials are mostly digested in small intestine. When the chyme enters the duodenum, two secretion, namely pancreatic juice from the pancreas and bile from the liver, poured through the bile duct. Both these secretions are alkaline in nature. Pancreatic juice neutralizes the acidity of chyme. The enzyme of the pancreatic juice continue the digestion process of proteins and carbohydrate, that is called molasses by maltose, and start fat digestion. Bile is secreted from the liver. It neutralizes the acidity of the food and bring the alkaline medium. Bile salt emulsifies fat, that means it helps fat droplets to mix with water, so it becomes easier for lipase to digest fat easily. Lipase converts the fat droplets into fatty acid and glycerol. Pancreatic juice contains trypsin, lipase, and amylase. On the other hand, intestinal juice contains the enzyme maltase, lactase, sucrase, etc. Trypsin converts partly digested protein into amino acid and simple peptide. The polypeptide, with the help of trypsin, convert to amino acid and simple peptide, and then simple peptide also convert to amino acid again by the help of trypsin. Then amylase enzyme convert the maltose into glucose. The carbohydrate, that is called amylose, with the help of amylase enzyme convert to glucose. This is the function of liver. This is the function of pancreatic juice. This is the function of bile or bile duct. Then I also discuss about another board question. Kumula Board 2019. Mr. Manuel is a light working person. He plays 2 to 3 days in a week. His age is 46 years, height 170 centimeters and weight 60 kgs. Then first question, what is roughage? Second question, why is photosynthesis called oxidation reduction process? Explain. Calculate BMI of Mr. Manuel, taking how much calories. How much calories means the volume of BMR every day of Manuel can maintain his weight. Analysis it. Our first question, roughage. Basically, roughage is cellulose and lignin of cell wall. Dietary fiber of kernels, vegetables and fruits are known as roughage. Our next question, why photosynthesis is occurred more in the morning? Photosynthesis is a process through which green plants produce food. The main source of the energy produced by photosynthesis is sun. To control the reaction of photosynthesis, sunlight is essential. Photosynthesis or photolysis and photophosphorylation only occurred in the presence of daylight. The intensity of sunlight is more in the morning than in the evening. That's why the photosynthesis is occurred more in the morning. Then our next question, calculate or determine the calorie demand, অর্থাৎ calorie demand calculation. According to the STEAM, mean side 5 feet 7 inches. 5 feet 7 inches equal to 67 inches. 67 inches into 2.54 equal to 170.18 centimeter. Measures weight 60 kgs, age 15 years. We know basal metabolic rate or BMR of a male is 66 plus 13.7 into weight kgs plus 5 into height centimeters minus 6.8 into age years. So BMR of Mejan equal to 66 plus 13.7 into weight 60 kgs plus 5 into height 170.8 centimeters minus 6.8 into age 15. In total 1636.9 calories. Now, as Mizan is a hard-working person and plays and run more, his calorie demand per day is his BMR value into 1.9, so equal 1636.9 into 1.9 equal 3110.11 kilocalories. This is per day calorie demand of Mizan. Next question: what type of effect may arise to maintain the life of Mizan and Milon according to BMI scale? Give your opinion. So, to solve this answer, we use a model answer. BMI is the body mass index, which indicates the structure of the body and the presence of fat. So, it indicates the relation between the height and depend on fat of a person of particular age for healthy living and maintaining good health. BMI equal to body weight kgs divided by height of the body meter square. Now in the STEAM, Mizan's body weight 60 kgs, height 5 feet 7 inches equal to 170.18 centimeter equal to 1.7018, that is called 1.7 meter. BMI of Mizan 60 kgs 1.7 meter square equal to 60 divided by 2.89 equal to 20.76. Again, Milon's body weight 64 kgs, height 170 meters equal to 1.7 meters. BMI of Milon 64 divided by 1.7 meters square 22.18. According to the BMI scale, the ideal scale for good health is 1.8 to 24.9. So the BMI value of Mizan and Milon are within normal range. Milon is a hardworking person and this is good for his health, but Milon leads lazy life, so he needs regular physical exercise to maintain a good health. This is the discussion about Milon and Mizan's health according BMI. Our next model question, Select Board 2019. Nontu is 15 years old, height is 116 centimeter and weight 50 kgs. Nontu's 2 years younger sister, Sontu's height is 102 centimeter and weight 45 kgs. First question, what is chlorosis? Second question, why constipation is occurred? Explain. Number C, calculate the BMR of Nontu, analyze the BMI of Nontu and Shantu. Same question of before question. To discuss this question, we also use a model answer. What is chlorosis? The condition of leaves becoming yellow in color is called chlorosis. It occurs due to deficiency of nitrogen, mainly nitrogen, subsidiary iron, phosphorus, sulfur is also responsible for the chlorosis. Then question, why constipation is occurred? Explain. When stool become hard or stool doesn't pass for 2 or more days, then condition is called constipation. There are various causes of constipation such as withholding bowel pressure, excessive water absorption for the undigested part of food in the colon, slow movement of the undigested part of the colon through the alimentary canal, leading a lazy life, intestinal disorder, slowing down the constipation, contraction of the colonic muscles, and not eating food containing roughage increase is possibility of constipation. Then the question is calculate the BMR of Nontu. This is simple question. Nontu is a male person in this steam. According to the steam, weight of Nontu 50 kg, height 116 cm, age 15 years. The formula of BMR is 66 plus 13.7 into weight kgs plus 5 into height centimeters minus 6 into 8 age year. Inputting all this data, we calculate of BMR of Nontu is 1229 calories. So BMR of Nontu is 1229 calorie. This is not daily demand calorie, just BMR. Our next question, analyze the BMI of Nontu and Sontu. So it's a easy question. To solve this answer, we also used a model answer. BMI or body mass index indicate the structure of the body and the presence of fat. BMI is a person equal to body height divided by body weight divided by body height in meter square. Now according to the steam, body weight of Nontu 50 kg, height 116 cm, that is called 1.16 meter. BMI Nontu 50 by 1.16 meter square equal to 37.31. Again, the height of Sontu 45 kg, height 102 meter centimeter equal to 1.02 meter. BMI of Sontu is 45 divided by 1.02 meter square equal to 43.26. According to BMI standard scale, ideal scale for good health is 18.5 to 24.9. From the calculation, we found that BMI of Nontu is 37.31, so he is in the second stage of obesity, range 35 to 39.9. In this condition, taking moderate amount of food and exercise is necessary for him. Again, we found that BMI of Sontu is 43.26, so she is in the stage of extreme obesity above 40. In this condition, there is a possibility of death risk. Her body weight should be controlled by consuming balanced diet and exercise. Moreover, doctor's advice is necessary for her. Our next question, Borishal and Dinajpur Board 2019. The height of Rakib is 166 cm and weight is 80 kg. Every day he eats 30 gram chira. In chira, 7.8% protein, 81% starch and 1.8% fat are available. This is our steam. First question, what is microelements? Second question, why rice is eaten by cooking? Third question, calculate the calories of Rakib's food. And fourth question, what you will do according to the BMI Rakib? Analyze with your logic. This is so important question. We also discuss this question with the help of this model answer. Number A, what is microelements or micronutrients? The elements or nutrients which are taken in every small quantities required for the normal growth of plants are called micronutrients or microelements. Plants use 6 microelements or micronutrients, and they are zinc, manganese, molybdenum, boron, copper and chlorine. Second question, why rice is eaten by cooking? Rice is a carbohydrate type food. For human beings, human nutrition, carbohydrates are very important. But in raw form, carbohydrate cannot be easily digested. Raw carbohydrate cannot be digested in our digestion system. If it is eat after cooking, it can be easily digested and turned into glucose. Human body can absorb only glucose. That's why rice is eaten by cooking. Third question, calculate the calories of Rakib's food. Rakib's food is chira. Rakib eats 30 gram chira every day. Let's determine the calculates of calories of 30 gram chira. According to the steam, 30 gram chira contain 7.8% protein, or 30 into 7.8 divided by 100 equal to 2.34 gram chira. 81% starch or carbohydrate, that means 30 into 80 divided by 100 equal to 24.3 gram carbohydrate. 1.8% fat equal to 30 into 1.8 divided by 100 equal to 0.54 gram fat. Now from 2.34 gram protein equal to 2.34 into 4 equal to 9.36 calories or food calories. Because of 1 gram protein is produce 4 calories energy. From 24.3 gram carbohydrate equal to 24.3 into 4 equal to 97.2 calories or food calories, because 1 gram carbohydrate can produce 4 calories energy. From 0.54 gram fat means 0.54 into 9 equal to 4.86 calories or food calories, because 1 gram fat can produce 9 calories or 9 food calories. So calories value of 30 gram chira equal to 111.342 food calories or kilocalories. Therefore, the calories values of Rakib's food is 111.42 kilocalories. Our next question, what you will do according to the BMI Rakib analysis with your logic. BMI is basic metabolic index. It indicates the relation between the length and deposition of the fat of a person of a particular age for healthy living and maintaining a good health. In the steam, Rakib's weight is 166 centimeter equal to 1.66 meter, and Rakib's weight is 80 kgs. We know BMI equal to weight divided by height meter square. So BMI of Rakib equal to 80 divided by 1.66 meter square equal to 29.03, that is called 29.03. According to BMI standard scale, Rakib is overweight because ideal scale is 18.5 to 24.9. In this situation, one should to decrease body weight by physical exercise. So in this case, I will decrease body weight by consuming accurate nutrition and by doing physical exercise. There are various kinds of doing physical exercise, like as walking, jogging, running, swimming, cycling, etc., etc. By doing this physical exercise and by eating balanced diet, I will maintain body weight and take care of my health properly. I also delivered the last board question, all board 2018. This is our last board question analysis. Polish is 8 years old. His physical and mental development has not accomplished in accordance with his age. After observing him clinically, the doctor says that food is digested in the stomach after being free from contamining microorganisms, but in case of Polas, chemical substances have been being mixed with the food. If all of us do not become aware of it, next generation will be threatened. This is our STEAM, and this is a most important board question, all board 18. First question, what is BMR? BMR. Second question, what does supplementary protein means? Third question, explain the action of enzyme on the organ mentioned in the STEAM above. Third question, justify the last comments made by the doctor. First question, what is BMR? The amount of energy used by a human body when resting is called basic metabolic rate, or BMR in short. B question, what does supplementary protein means? If two or more plants protein are cooked together, as a result of the increase of food value, 8 kinds of amino acid can be obtained from it. The components diverged from his mixture are known as mixed protein. This is also called supplementary protein. This is the next question. Explain the action of uh, protein enzyme on the organ mentioned in the STEAM above. The organ mentioned in the STEAM is stomach. Action of enzyme on the stomach. When the food reaches the stomach, gastric juice is secreted from the inner wall. This juice contains the following main components: hydrochloric acid, pepsin. Pepsin means inactive pepsin. First, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid destroy the germs coming with the food substance, convert inactive pepsinogen into active pepsin, and creates an acidic medium to help its proper function. This is inactive pepsinogen. With the help of hydrochloric acid, it converts to active pepsin. Pepsin is an enzyme which breaks protein into a compound named polypeptide, which consists of 2 or more amino acids. Protein breaks down into polypeptide with the help of pepsin. Digestion of carbohydrate and fats do not occur in the stomach because gastric juice does not contain any particular enzyme for the digestion of carbohydrate and fat. As soon as the food enters the stomach, the above mentioned juices are released. The muscles of the stomach contraction and relaxation continuously. The chemical reaction that occurs convert food into a semi-liquid substance. This is chyme. It is more or less like a soup and enters the small intestine through valve in point duodenum. And number D, question number D, justify the last comments made by doctor. The last comment made by doctor in the STEAM is about adulterant in food. Just as a clean environment is necessary to live in this beautiful world, similarly, eating safe food is essential. Nowadays, various harmful, unhealthy chemical substances and colors are used in adulterants. As a result, public health is now threatened. If this health risk continues, Bangladesh will face a great disaster in course of time, just like the Romans. The Romans used water containers made of lead. As a result, people who drank that water got affected by poisonous lead and gave birth to a shift generation. In Bangladesh, various kinds of adulterants are mixed with the food. Chemical colors, antibiotics, chemical substances, insecticides, pesticides, formalin, heavy metals are mentionable. The cattle, fish, poultry animals, etc., which are fed unapproved adulterant food, are threatening to human life and health. Commercial colors used in textile or for coloring, the sometimes used in ice cream, balance, bleach, ice cream, candies, then begunis, chops, etc. This type of foods gradually affects liver functions and cause various diseases. Bacteria that helps in decomposition cannot grow in fish, fruits and other food, suffer submerged in formalin. So it looks fresh. A research has found that formalin forms a components within cell of the fishes. Even after frequent washing, it remains within the fish body. It enters the human body with the cooked food. These poisonous compounds are the cause of complex disease symptoms and may even causes some types of cancer. So this is a chart of adulterant food, probable source and remedy. Today I discussed about digestion, more about 9 CQ questions, and previous maybe I discussed 3 or 4 CQ question. These CQ questions is very important for your preparation for any examination. Then I will discuss another 4 or 5 CQ questions from this chapter 5 next day, and then inshallah I will start a new chapter. Thank you very much.